Have you ever stopped to question why, despite all your efforts, you still find yourself trapped in the cycle of financial struggle? The answer lies in the design of our current financial system, a system that, rather than promoting individual wealth, seems to encourage a perpetual state of dependence. Consider this. The majority of us are living paycheck to paycheck, despite putting in countless hours of hard work. We're told to earn more, spend less, save and invest. Yet, we find ourselves running on a never-ending treadmill, unable to break free from the shackles of our financial constraints. So, what's the root cause of this widespread financial struggle? It's the creation of a matrix, a system that's been meticulously designed to keep the majority in a state of financial dependence. This matrix isn't a figment of imagination. It's as real as the money in your bank account. The system isn't broken, it was built this way. Ever wondered why our education system doesn't teach us how to be financially independent? Let's take a step back and trace the roots of our educational systems. Historically, these systems emerged during times of war and conflict. They were designed with a singular goal in mind, to create obedient soldiers, soldiers who would follow orders, not question authority, and certainly not ponder upon financial independence. Fast forward to today, and the echo of this archaic design is still present. The standard curriculum focuses on academic prowess, not practical life skills. Financial literacy, the art of managing money, is conspicuously absent. We're taught algebra and history, but who teaches us about mortgages, investments, and taxes? This lack of emphasis on financial education has led to a population largely dependent on others for financial security. We're stuck in jobs we don't like, burdened with debts we don't understand, all because we were never taught to navigate the financial world. Our education system has played a significant role in creating a financially dependent population. So, how do we break free from this financial matrix? The first step is to understand that financial independence isn't about having piles of money. It's about control, having the power to make decisions that aren't driven by financial constraints. The cornerstone of this independence is financial literacy. Learn the language of money. Understand the difference between assets and liabilities. Discover the power of compound interest. Learn the art of investing. Next, take control. Budget, save, invest. It's a simple formula, but one that requires discipline and consistency. It's not about denying yourself all pleasures, but about making informed choices. And finally, change your mindset and habits. Wealth isn't an event, it's a process. It's not about getting rich quick, but about building long-term wealth. Remember, the system isn't designed for your financial success, but you can design your own path. The key to escaping the system and achieving financial freedom lies in your hands.